Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to remove gallery page from File Explorer on Windows 11 PC. When you open this one File Explorer, you will see this one gallery in the left navigation pane on Windows 11. In case you don't need this one and want to remove, it is possible using registry editor. For this, first press Windows plus R to open this one run dialog box. After that, type regedit and then click OK to open this one editor. In those prompts, click on this one yes button. After that, all you need to copy and paste this one path from this one video description. After that, just copy and paste this one path from this one video description. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to CLSID key in the left sidebar. Right click on this one key and select here new, and then again select this one key option. Now name it like this. I will put these all details in this one video description. Just copy and paste this one key from this one video description. After that, press enter. Now select it and right click on it and select here new option and then divert 32-bit value. Otherwise, just select it and on the right side free space, right click on the free space and select here new and this one divert 32-bit value option, and you need to name it something and you need to rename it something like this. System is pinned to name a space tree. After that, click outside and then you need to double click on this one and you ensure here value data is set to 0. After that, click on this one OK button and now close this one registry editor and restart your PC. Otherwise, right click on free space on the taskbar and select here this one task manager option. Here under processes, select this one processes in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down and find Windows Explorer. Just find Windows Explorer service and you need to restart this one Windows Explorer. Just select any and press W until you find this one Windows Explorer service. Just select it Windows Explorer, then right click on it and here select this one restart option. Now open again File Explorer by pressing Windows plus E key or any other method. You will not find this one gallery page in the left navigation pane of this one Windows 11 PC, and in case you want to restore this one, again open registry editor and just you need to delete this one key that you have created just now. Just right click on it and select this one delete option and yes button. The registry editor, again open task manager and find Windows Explorer. To find this one Windows Explorer, you can select any process and then keep pressing this one W key on your keyboard. This will take you up to Windows Explorer. Just press W this one Windows Explorer. Once you find it, select it, right click on it and choose here restart option. Now again open File Explorer. You will find gallery option is restored on your Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. Bye.